I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 10 of the Jelly Postcard Play hosted by Carrie Griffiths. And this has been a really fun challenge. I encourage you to check out the hashtag GelyCardPlay, spelled Gely, and check out Carrie's channel also. He's so talented. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I've got this green jelly print that I've done, and I had some scraps from I found it in my basket of jelly card print that I had made a while back. And I've got bits and pieces. I've got these two are stickers from my botanist sticker anthology, so I don't use enough of those, so I thought I would use those this time. So first I inked around all of that, but I haven't inked around my jelly print scraps, so I'm going to do that. It seemed a little nicer this morning, but boy, it's been so hot and humid. I have on my cooking channel, I'm afraid I have not posted anything the last couple of weeks. It's just been so hot in the kitchen, and we have to keep the door shut in our kitchen because there's a smoke detector right outside the door, and it doesn't matter what, it's going to go off. I'm trying to cover up that glare. And so we have to keep that shut, and the kitchen's always 10 to 20 degrees hotter than the rest of the house. So let's see what we're going to do with this. Kind of have an idea of putting that like that and just adding that to the bottom, and I'll just trim off the edges. Oh, there it is. Find my glue. But I have so enjoyed this challenge. It has been so much fun, and I love collage, and I love doing these little. You would think they would be harder, but they're not. To me, the simple. It's easiest to do these small collages, just layering up. If you've got the images to fit. So let me get these pieces down. I've got to fill up my glue bottle. Okay, I like that, and I'm just going to trim off these edges. Okay, I like that. Add a little bit more glue here. Get that down. Okay, so I think I want to just kind of add that there. I thought the colors went well with jelly print scraps, and these came from 1 and 0 off of what I had used yesterday. So I know I want that there, so let me go ahead and get it down. I started rereading the Vampire Knitting Club. I think that's the name of it. I had read this book, it's been a long time, and it was a freebie on my Kindle, well, on the Kindle app, and I remember enjoying it, but I never went and got any more of the series. Well, Amy of Crafty Cat, she is, I think, listening to the audiobooks of these, and it made me want to go back and reread it. So that is what I am doing. Let's see how I want to do this. Maybe something like that, and like that. put this down. So I've gotten just the first chapter reread. So I think I will enjoy it. Okay. So I like that. Get my pen. I don't know why I even bothered putting the rubber band around my bottle because I never remember to use it. Okay, now I think I'm just gonna stamp some random butterflies in Timber Brown onto my postcard. And I'm using Stays On because where I do it on the stickers, I want to make sure it stays. See, I could do this a little neater probably. Just to add a little something to it. Kind of wished I hadn't done it now though. Oh well, too late now. Okay, now I want to add that butterfly. Of course, now it doesn't want to come out. I think I may look for some more butterflies to go in there. Because I really kind of want that one there. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I know I have more butterflies. I like that one. Let's see what else I can find. That's pretty. We'll go with those and see. And I am just gonna, what I did is I just glued them onto some white kind of cardstock and just trimmed around them. These stickers don't stick very well, but I like to be able to see where I'm putting them. So let me get these cut out. Yeah, I do love a good series, and I love a good cozy mystery too. Now, like your serious mysteries, murder mysteries, thrillers, I like those as well. Sometimes you just want something that's lighthearted and fun. I like so many different genres, but my favorite is mystery. I used to read romance all the time, but I don't read a lot of romance anymore. Every now and then. Okay, got that one, and let me get this cut out. And my husband's been having to cut grass in all of this heat. And it has not been fun for him. He almost got too hot. I worry about him when it's like this because, let's see, Burl is gone. We didn't get a whole lot of rain. We got some, but the sun came back out right afterwards. And here, it's like you need the rain, you want the rain, but it's hard to get excited about the rain because although it's nice while it's raining, as soon as it stops, we get the worst humidity ever. See if I can get that. I don't want to use my good fussy cutting scissors to cut into glue. That's why I'm using these kind of awkward ones. Alright, let me get my trash out of the way. Alright, now I do need to just do a little bit of inking around the edges. Not that one. Here we go. Here it is. I decided just to draw in his antenna. I think I want one up there. I think I want him down here. And put him up there. I don't know, it might show up better on the green. Okay. I really want something there. I want something there as well. Let me go ahead and get my, see if I want my 10 there. Tell you what, I'll put the 10 here. Maybe I can find a word or something for up there. Okay, we got our 10. Now let me see what I've got here. Make a wish. I like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna round my corners. And I'm gonna ink around. I like how it turned out. It's probably not my favorite, but I do like it. And I believe I will add some more gold splatters because I can't help myself. Gold splatters make everything better. Okay. Oh, here it is, my water. I wonder if I may want to do copper since it's kind of got the browns in it. Well, let me try that. I haven't tried this copper. I like that. But I think I'm going to add the gold as well. Nothing says you can't have two colors. I usually do black and gold a lot. All right. Well, I'm going to call that done. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.